Hi students, welcome to part 6 of Reach for the Top 1. In your previous part I taught you where we were in our previous part. Santosh Yadav joined in Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba hostel. Where did she join? She joined in Maharani College. There she got a room in hostel. That hostel name is Kasturba. So Santosh remembers there, she remembers Kasturba hostel faced the Aravali hills. Her room or uh, faced means in front of Kasturba hostel. She could see or she could watch or she could observe Aravali hills. She used to watch villagers from her room. I used to watch villagers from my room going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. From her room, Santosh Yadav, what did she do? She used to watch villagers nearby those villagers from her room. From her room, she used to watch going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. Some villagers are going up, climbing up, and after some time they are vanishing means disappear. Those villagers from going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. Santosh Yadav used to watch those villagers who used to climb up and after some time they were vanishing. One day she uh, one day I decided to check it out myself. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. I asked if I could join them. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative and motivated me to take to climbing. Okay. Santosh Yadav used to observe those climbers, and one day she too wanted to enjoy, she too wanted to have that experience. That's why she decided to check it by herself. One day she decided to check it by herself, and there she had gone and asked some of the mountaineers who are climbing those Aravalli hills in that place. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. When she reached there were a few mountaineers. They were climbing Aravalli hills. I asked if I could join them. Immediately Santosh Yadav asked them that she could join along with them. Why did she ask? Because she was attracted and she was impressed and she was inspired by the climbers who are climbing, the mountaineers who are climbing Aravalli hills. She too wanted to have that fun. She too wanted to have that enjoyment. She too want to have that merry. She too wanted to have that joy. She too wanted to have that experience. To feel that experience, she had gone and asked some mountaineers, and for her surprise, they accepted immediately. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative. To her pleasant surprise, when those mountaineers were asked by Santosh Yadav, their reply was affirmative. Affirmative means positive. Positively they replied, "Oh Santosh, oh madam, okay, you can come and you too can climb along with us. But you have to take some precautions and some guidance must be there." To her pleasant surprise, when they accepted, she felt very surprised and she was surprised, and they accepted her proposal. They answered in the affirmative. Affirmative means positive, and motivated. Immediately they motivated her. Okay, madam, you can climb, but when you are climbing a mountain, you have to take some precautions and you must follow the guidelines or guides. For example, here, uh, if you want to climb Mount Everest, nearby valley or nearby that place, Mountain Everest place, there are some people. Those people are called, I am writing here, they are Sherpas. They are called those people. Sherpas belong to tribal people. Tribal those tribal people are the guides for the mountain climbing. Under their guidance, many climbers, not only Santosh Yadav, but also many climbers, they climbed the top of the Mount Everest. In the same way, she was motivated by those climbers. Okay, madam, we are ready, but you have to take some guidance by experts, by those guides. Motivated me to take climbing. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. After that incident, after that situation, there was no looking back for this determined young girl. She is a very determined young girl. So finally, she chose her life's ambition. What is that? Climbing mountains. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Mountaineering. This Santosh Yadav saved money and enrolled means joined in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. For the climbers, for the mountaineers, there is an institute. That institute name is Nehru Institute. Where is it? Uttarkashi. Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. There she joined. Now Santosh Yadav set her goal. She set her ambition. She wants to climb the mountain. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. See, my college semester means a period or a term of 6 months. Semester. Mostly in colleges, semester exams are there. For a year, there are 2 semesters. In engineering college or post-graduation, PG college or some undergraduate college, nowadays some colleges also there are semester systems are there. We are, if 3 or 4 years ago also you had term exams. So a period or term of 6 months. Those exams are called semester exams. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. Actually, her semester exams must be completed in the ending of the April, but unfortunately, her semester exams were completed in the month of 19th. The month of May, on 19th May, her semester exams were completed. And I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st. Actually, she thought that she could reach after completing her semester exams in the month of April. But unfortunately, her semester exams were completed in the month of May, and those exams also completed 2 days before. 2 days before she was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on 21st. Actually, she has to enroll or she has to join in Uttarkashi at on 21st May. So I didn't go back home. There are 2 days left. That's why Santosh Yadav didn't go back to home, because she is determined girl. She has strong determination. To fulfill her determination, she stayed those 2 days also in that Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute, mountaineering. Instead, I headed straight for the training. Instead of going back to her home, she went to for training. Headed straight means she went towards training. I had to write a letter of apology to my father without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Without the permission of her father, she joined in Uttarkashi Nehru's Institute of Mountaineering. That's why she wanted to write an apology letter to her father. Here, apology means to feel regret or remorse about doing something or some. Actually, here, apology means simple meaning sorry. She wanted to write a letter of apology. Sorry, my dear dad, my dear father, my dear Pitaji. Sorry, without your permission, I joined in Uttarkashi's Mountaineering Institute. So, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Dad, please forgive me. In this way, Santosh Yadav wanted to write an apology letter to her father. I had to write a letter of apology to my father without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Without the permission of her father, she joined in Uttarkashi. That's why she wants to write an apology letter to her father. Thereafter, after that, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Slowly, quickly, and gradually, her climbing skills matured, and now she became a skillful climber, an expert climber, a professional climber. Every year she used to go there and she used to participate in the training and she used to climb. Now she wants to prove herself, and finally she became an expert or professional climber. She proved here practice makes man perfect. She practiced every year, every day. That's why she got that skill. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude. There in that at cold and the altitude in that place, she got resistance, remarkable resistance power. It means in that cold weather, in that high altitude, low altitude. Generally, high altitude areas are cold areas. That's why Mount Everest or high altitude areas are in cold temperature. That is climate. So in that cold climate, she can go and she can live and she can walk. She can prove herself. She developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude. Equipped with an iron will, she got an iron will. Iron will means strong willpower. Strong willpower, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness. To achieve our goal, we must be strong mentally. Our mind must be strong. When our mind is strong, automatically our physical also will be strong and physical endurance. And along with these two, Santosh Yadav possesses a strong willpower. We must have, our mind must be strong and we must have strong willpower. Then only we can achieve our goals, ambitions. That's why here she equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness. She proved herself repeatedly. She is strong woman, strong girl. That's why Santosh Yadav proved herself what she is. She proved herself. When your mind is strong, when you have strong willpower, the same way you too can prove yourself what you are. You have to prove yourself what you are. Sometimes you may be teased, you may be criticized, you may be commented, and some people may make fun with you. In those situations, in those times, what we must have, our mind must be strong. We must have strong mind. When our mind is strong enough, no one can change your willpower. No one can change your determination. No one can change your ambition. All the people who achieved to high altitudes or high summits, they all have strong mind, strong willpower, strong determination. This girl, this Santosh Yadav also has strong determination, and her mind is very tough mind. Here, tough mind means very strong mind. With the help of that strong mind, she achieved, she proved herself what she is. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli Mountaineers if she could join them. Now, there is Santosh Yadav is going to prove herself what she is. She is going to become a mountaineer. How will she prove herself? Will be taught in the next part. See you in the next part. Bye.